Hello, my little pickles. Granny here. And today, Granny's gonna take a look at the My Life Vending Machine. Doesn't that look cool? Well, are you ready? Here we go. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is open the box. Here we go. Woo! Wow! Okay. The first thing we do now is put our treats in the machine. That was cool. Look at that. Potato chips. Where do they go? Right there. Now we're gonna put an orange soda in there. Right there. And now we're gonna put cookies in there. Right there. All right, Granny's gonna fill this machine up full of goodies. All right, Granny's loaded the machine. Now she's gonna get some goodies. Here we go. Granny wants cookies first. Doesn't that sound yummy? All right, first we press it. Then we have to put our money in. 2, 3, 4 quarters makes $1, right? Okay, let's see. Did Granny get her cookies? She did. Look at those. Don't they look yummy? Granny's gonna eat them all up. Those cookies were good. Now Granny's thirsty. She's gonna get a soda. Doesn't that orange soda look good? Well, that's the one Granny wants. So she's gonna put her money in. It's 50 cents. So that's 1, 2, oh my goodness! Granny hates roaches! Where did it go? Oh, Granny hates them! Ah! I don't see it. Oh my goodness. All right. Granny got her soda out and she's gonna drink her soda. Hopefully there's no more roaches around here. All right, now after Granny's had her heart attack, she's gonna get some potato chips. All right, how much are they? 75 cents. All right, that's what Granny wants. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. All right. Granny wants some chips. Oh, look at that. Granny got some chips. They look like Pringles. Wow, those potato chips were salty. So now Granny needs some juice. Granny's gonna get mixed berry juice out of the vending machine. All right, it's a quarter. So we're gonna put our quarter in there. Okay, and let's press our button. Oh, we got it. Yay. What is that? Oh no, it's a roach! Oh my goodness! What in the world? Ah, get off of me! My goodness! Ah! Those roaches scared Granny. Well, that's all Granny has for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe.